American rainforest. And as you can see, he's pretty good at mimicking human speech. But one of his favorites is impersonating an animal. Let's try today a dog. Rio, bark. Bark? That's a pretty good dog. A little bit too easy. Let's try something a little bit harder. How about a dog with fleas? Rio, bark. Get those fleas. Get those fleas, buddy. Great job. Now, Rio, since this is virtual, why don't we try one of our feathered friends? How about a rooster? That's a funny rooster. Do one more time. He really wants to wake me up in the morning. Now, the cool thing about parrots and macaws, they have binocular and binocular vision. What that means, Rio can focus on one object or two completely different objects at the same exact time. See, Rio has an eye on me, but I think he's got an eye on you. Rio, you think she's pretty? Oh, he thinks you're pretty. If you want to take him on a date tonight, obviously, if it's okay with you, you're more than welcome to, but this stud has a curfew. What's a curfew? And speaking of curfews, we gotta get going. Everyone say bye, Rio.
Bye.
And Rio, say bye-bye. And that's Rio the Busway Macaw. She's graced the stage of the Jay Leno and David Letterman and has performed all over the world. Well, hi. We're gonna tell everyone a story, all right? Okay. So once upon a time, deep in the jungle, there lived a beautiful princess. But what was her name? Wait a minute. What was her name again? Oh, I see what you did there. You named the princess Abigail because she's so pretty. But she was very pretty. I'm fine. I'm fine. How are you? Yes, you're very pretty bird. But we need to get back to the story, okay? Okay. So Princess Alita was very fond of a brave young warrior named Pete. Hey, Alita, was Pete good looking? Like Brad Pitt, George Clooney. Okay, we need to get back to the story, okay? Okay. So Princess Alita and Pete decided to take a stroll to the jungle. When all of a sudden, out of nowhere, there's something scary. Was there something scary? There was something scary. Was it a ghost? It was a very scary ghost. Alita was so scared that she screamed. And that's worried because Pete had one of a ferocious tiger. And it went just like this. Here, kitty, kitty. Wait a minute. Was this a little tiger? But not to worry because that tiger did just a trick. And it scared away that scary ghost. And Alita was so happy because I had to sing her tradition as a boy. Let's bring up, okay? Which translates to? Oh, what a beautiful morning! Oh, what a morning! I have a beautiful feeling. Everything going on. Wait, Lolita! Hey, Lolita, is there anything you'd like to say? Hi! Say it again. Hi! That's Lolita's story, and she's sticking to it. Lolita!
Yeah, that was pretty cool. Not like all international superstars and divas of the islands, Miss Ava does have a very unprofessional cook and personal trainer. And that's me. And it's time for us to get jogging. So let's have a big round of applause for Miss Ava.
Everyone, this is Stymie! Stymie is a super friendly cockatoo, and you can find cockatoos flying across over 1,000 birds in Australia. Hi, Stymie! Oh, you think we need to focus, okay? Okay, now earlier in the show, I had picked 3 volunteers to hold the hula hoop. If you have a hula hoop, go ahead and place yourself where I told you. Now, Stymie, I need you on to the next part, okay? Now, what Stymie's gonna go ahead and do is fly through all 3 of these hoops. That we found out that the louder the audience cheers, the faster Stymie flies. And even when to clap, hoot and holler, and yell, go, Stymie, go! And he loves it. So, Stymie, you ready? Stymie's ready. Audience, are you guys ready? Oh, Stymie, did you hear me? Audience, are you guys ready? Yeah! Awesome! Ready, go for the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Ready, go, to hoop number 1. Going into hoop number 2. Going in on to hoop number 3. Great job, dude! Thank you, and thank you! That's Stymie! Earlier, you all saw a young
Hey, a big round of applause for our pre-show birds. That's Mindy the